Hi, this is Brandon with Ultimate Dent Repair, and I'm working on this 2015 Chevy Equinox. And it looks like it's been repaired over the years, previously repaired from some of the hailstorms that affected Colorado over the past couple of years. As you can see there, there's some paint drip that's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be completely smooth. Um, and we got some mounded spots, so the metal is raised and it's not sitting flat. This is pretty common when using body filler. I noticed when body shops use body fillers to repair the rails, um, sometimes it's difficult for them to get everything flat. So you see these mounded spots. It's very common to find after the repair has been done. Um, and this should have never left the shop to begin with. That's very easily spotted. And here's the paint drip area after the repair. If you look very closely, there's a very minimal amount of detail that you could still see from that paint drip, but I was able to get a lot of it out of it. And of course, it's all flat, all smooth, the way you should expect your finished product to be. Here's that little spot towards the front. There wasn't a whole lot I could do with that besides doing a color sand and a buff. And still a little bit of texture, but overall very happy with the final results. Here's the mounded spots after the repair. Nice and flat the way that should be, and very smooth, no larger texture or different texture to it. It's all matching as far as the texture, and again, you should not expect anything less from hail repair. And I appreciate you watching. Thank you.